How to see deleted messages for everyone on WhatsApp without any app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can see deleted for everyone message on WhatsApp without any app. In order to see this procedure, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. After that, open up a WhatsApp. So as you can see right on top, this is a particular message that I received, but I could not see the message because it has been deleted. So what you'll need to do is you need to open up your settings application. After that, you need to go to apps and notification. Once you're on apps and notification, once again go ahead and open up notifications. Here you need to click on notification history. So basically what you'll have to do is you need to enable or turn on this option, that is use notification history. After that, all the deleted message will be stored right over here. So in this way you can see deleted for everyone message on WhatsApp. Apart from that, there is no such option, so you can only use third-party application in order to see deleted messages. You can install any application from your Play Store. Just go to your Play Store, and then on the search box you need to type in see deleted messages, and you can find multiple options. You can download either one of it, and you can just install it and connect your application, and then you'll successfully see your deleted message for everyone on WhatsApp. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.